Hello everyone. In the last video we have learned about the types of fraction. In this video I'm going to tell you how to add like and unlike fraction. At the same time we will discuss how to subtract like fractions and unlike fractions. As I told you about like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. For example, 9 by 12, 10 by 12, 11 by 12, 1 by 12, 2 by 12. These are all the examples of like fractions. So if you have been given two like fractions and you have to add them, you just simply have to take the denominator as 7, because if you see the denominator is same. Now 3 plus 2. As you see the denominators are same, so we are going to add the numbers which are the numerators. 3 plus 2, which is 5 by 7. Similarly, if we are going to subtract the like fraction, 9 by 12 minus 2 by 12, let's say. So in this also, if you see the denominators is 12, so the numerators will be subtracting. 9 minus 2, 7 by 12. So in addition and subtraction of like fraction, the denominator you will take, which it will be same, and you just have to add the numerators in case of addition and subtract the numerators in case of subtraction. Now we will talk about the addition of unlike fraction. So as I told you in my last video that unlike fractions are those fractions where denominators are different. For example, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. If you see, all these denominators are different, so these are called as unlike fraction. So how are we going to add the unlike fraction? So I'm just going to take one example. I have taken example here. I have taken two numbers, two fractions in fact, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. So how we are going to add these fractions? So first of all, what you have to do is you have to calculate the LCM of denominators, which is 4 and 6. So you will be calculating the LCM of these two numbers. So first of all, you can use any method. We are going to use the common division method to calculate the LCM of these numbers. So first of all, divide 4 and 6 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 1, 3, and then divided by 3 you will get 1 and 1. So 2 into 2 into 3, which is coming to 12. So your LCM has come 12. Now what you have to do is you have to divide the LCM by your denominator, and whatever the answer will come, you have to multiply it by the numerator. So 12 divided by 4 will be 3. 3 into 1. You have to divide the LCM by the denominator, and whatever the answer will come, you have to multiply it by the numerator. Plus 12 divided by 6. Again we are going to do the same thing. Divide the LCM by the denominator, and whatever comes, multiply it by the numerator. So 12 divided by 6 will be 2 into 1. So 3 into 1, 3, plus 2 into 1, 2, divided by 12, which is 5 by 12. So in this case, what we have done is we have converted the unlike fractions into like fraction, and then I have added them. Now I will explain you about the subtraction of the unlike fraction. Here I have taken another example, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. So whatever the process we have done in the addition of unlike fraction, we are going to repeat the same process. So first of all, take the LCM of 8 and 12, divided by 2 till you get 1 and 1 at the end. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These numbers you have to multiply. So it will coming to 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. Now what you have to do is again divide the LCM by the denominator. 24 divided by 8 will be 3 into the numerator 1, minus 24 divided by 12, 2 into 1. 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into 1, 2, divided by 24, which will come down to 1 by 24. Hope you have understood how to add and subtract like and unlike fraction. Thank you so much.